In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the right canvas and start designing a banner that fits perfectly across your channel. Start on your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen, where you'll see your recent designs and the left sidebar. At the very top left, find the Create button. Click it to open the design options. In the search field that appears, type YouTube. From the results, look for YouTube banner. Click that to create your design. That's the key. Choosing YouTube banner ensures you're working at the correct size for channel art, so you won't have to worry about cropping or resizing later. As soon as the new design opens, you'll be taken to a canvas that's already set up to fit a YouTube banner. Canva provides a perfectly sized template area, which means your layout will match what viewers see on different devices. A helpful rule while designing is to keep your most important elements, like your channel name, tagline, or logo, near the center. That area is the safest zone for visibility across phones, tablets, and TVs. Now you can design it exactly the way you want. You can start with a pre-made template to get a quick, professional layout, or use a blank canvas if you prefer a custom look. Replace placeholder text with your channel name and a short message that sums up what viewers can expect. Choose fonts that are bold and easy to read at a glance, and use a color palette that matches your brand. High contrast between text and background helps your message stand out. Drag elements to position them precisely, and use Canva's smart guides to keep everything aligned. You can adjust spacing, tweak letter size, and fine-tune the hierarchy so the most important information draws the eye first. If you're including images or graphics, keep them clean and uncluttered so they don't compete with your text. Simple shapes, subtle textures, and a single focal image often look more polished than a busy layout. As a final pass, zoom out to see the overall balance, then zoom in to check crispness and readability. Make sure key details sit comfortably in the center safe area and that your colors and typography feel consistent with your channel's style. And that's it. From your main dashboard, click Create, search for YouTube, select YouTube banner, and you're ready to design with a perfectly sized template. Have fun bringing your channel's personality to life.